In this video, we're going to learn about styles, the importance of using them, and how to create custom styles and how to modify existing styles. A style is a predefined combination of a font, size, paragraph spacing, and colors that can be applied to text within a document. A style can either be a character style or a paragraph style. A character style is a style that applies to a single word, while a paragraph style applies to an entire paragraph. When you open a blank document in Word, depending on the template, the default style for a paragraph is called normal. A style can be focused only on aesthetics like colors and font, as well as focusing on numeric values. In this video, we're going to focus on numbered paragraph styles, as well as editing the font and colors. To locate the Styles gallery in Word, click on the Home tab and expand the Styles group by clicking in the bottom right-hand corner. The Styles gallery will display the different styles in use within the document, along with other styles associated with the document template. You can view what style has been applied to each paragraph by either pressing Ctrl-Shift-S on your keyboard or by changing the document view to Draft View. In this video, I'm going to change the view to Draft View by clicking on the View tab and clicking on Draft. In the draft view, we can see which styles have been applied in the left-hand margin. If you cannot view the styles because the margin is hidden, click on File, Options, and click on the Advanced tab. Under the Display section, enter a value in the Style Area pane width window. In this example, I'm going to enter 3 cm and click OK. Once the styles are visible, you can manually drag the width of the margin on the page. It is best practice to create all styles first before applying them to different text in the document. Before we go any further, click on the Home tab and click on the Show Hide tool so we can see where the paragraph and tab marks are. Once you've decided how you would like the styles to appear, click on the Home tab and click on the Multi-Level List drop-down arrow in the paragraph group. There are various styles in the list library to choose from, and we're going to select the multi-level list, which is the third list on the top row. The first level, which is the number 1, will appear on screen. I want to create paragraph number styles, so in order to do this, I need to create heading styles first, as paragraph styles are based on heading styles. For ease of reference, I'll type heading 1 after the first number level. Press Enter on your keyboard, and after the number 2, I'll type paragraph 1. To create a sub-level, press the Enter key, then press the Tab key on your keyboard. We now have a second level where I'll type heading 2. I'll repeat the step for paragraph 2. I'll create a new sub-level by pressing the Enter key and pressing the Tab key and type heading 3 and paragraph 3. I want to include one last level, but this time I want it to be an alphanumeric value instead of 2.2.2.2. To do this, I'll click on a number paragraph until it's highlighted grey. This time I'll click on the numbering drop-down arrow on the Home tab. I'm going to select the alphanumeric values with a bracket. Once again, I'll type heading 4 and paragraph 4 for this level. Now we have the basic structure of the styles we want, we can edit the font type, color, and paragraph spacing. First, we're going to format the paragraph spacing for all levels. Select all levels and expand the paragraph group on the Home tab. Click on the Indents and Spacing tab. I'm going to edit the before and after paragraph spacing to 10 points and change the line spacing to single. By default, Word will not apply specified line spacing to list paragraphs, so uncheck Don't add a space between paragraphs so that the spacing can be applied. Click OK. Now I'll select each level at a time, starting with the first level, which is heading 1 and paragraph 1, and adjust the tab spacing. I can do this manually by dragging the tab slider on the ruler to the required position. If the ruler is not visible on your screen, click on the View tab and check Ruler in the Show group. For a specific measurement, double-click on a tab slider to bring up the paragraph dialog box and click on Tabs. Enter a tab value, click on Set, then OK. To edit the margin, with the level selected, press Ctrl M on your keyboard to indent the margin, or Ctrl Shift M to decrease the margin. Again, for a more accurate measurement, double-click on the tab slider to bring up the paragraph dialog box. Click on the Indents and Spacing tab and enter a value in the left indentation window. I'm now going to edit Heading 1. Select the entire paragraph and expand the font group on the Home tab by clicking in the bottom right corner. I'll edit the font to color blue and bold and select all caps. I'm going to format the remaining styles to my preference. Now I'm happy with how the styles look. I'll select each individual value and go to the Styles gallery. At the bottom of the Styles window, click on New Style. Enter a name for the style. I'm going to name this style Heading_1. As this is a paragraph style, we'll select Paragraph from the style type. Click on the Style Based on drop-down list and select None. This is to ensure that if any other style is modified, it will not affect this particular style. Click on the style for the following paragraph. For the heading styles, I'm going to select Normal as the following paragraph, and for the paragraph styles, I'll keep the same style to follow. Click OK. Now the new style has appeared in the style gallery. I'll repeat the steps for the rest of the styles. Now the rest of the styles are in the styles gallery. For the heading styles, I want to add Keep with Next formatting to them, so that the heading does not sit on its own at the bottom of the page and instead moves along with the following paragraph. To do this, I'll select the heading style and expand the paragraph group. Click on the Line and Page Break tab and check Keep with Next, then click OK. With the Show Hide tool on, we can see whether Keep with Next has been applied to a paragraph as it's indicated with a black square. With the updated style selected, right-click on the style in the Styles gallery and select Update to match selection. Now all of the styles are to my liking, I'll go through the document and apply the styles to the relevant text. To do this, I'll click anywhere within the paragraph and click on the style I want to apply to it from the Styles gallery. Another way to modify a style is by right-clicking on a style in the Styles gallery and clicking on Modify. All paragraphs with this style applied will automatically update. To create a character style, follow the steps as before. I'm going to create a character style that makes a word bold and italic. I'll select a word and apply the required formatting. Then with the formatted word selected, click on New Style from the Style gallery. I'll enter a style name of bold italic and select Character from the Style drop-down list. Now we can apply this character style to individual words. Again, if I modify a character style, All words with this style applied will automatically update. Thank you for watching this video and be sure to like it and subscribe for more.